Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. I'm on here today to share some papers I'm going to be working with, and they are by Lily Fee the Paper Witch. I'm sorry, I've been having loads of problems with my camcorder and the microphone. I don't know what's going on, but I've been trying to film for over a week, and I've had issues with my back, my legs. I've been pinched all over. I've had appointments. I'm just all over the place, but I'm here today to do this quick share, and I'm trying to do it on my phone. Hopefully it will work. So yeah, let's see what happens. All right. So um let's start with this. I forgot that I hadn't filmed this, and I started to cut it up. So this page would come like this with these two gorgeous doilies here on this side, and then these labels here on that side. Okay, so again, this is from Lily Fee the Paper Witch, and I will leave all her links below. Um, she is on YouTube, Instagram, Etsy. You can find her printables on Etsy or in Etsy, at Etsy, I'm not sure. And then you you can also find her on Coffee. She has an account there where she does do freebies a lot. So yeah, so just check out the links below and see if there's anything you like there. Um, this is another one, another sheet that I forgot and cut up. So it's these really pretty envelopes, okay? And they are super pretty. I love them. And then the backs, I printed this this page from the kit on the back, or in the back, I guess I should say. Oh, I forgot to mention the name of the kit is called Botanical Nature Inspirations. Okay, and now I'm going to proceed with the rest. These are the labels and ephemera from the kit. Okay, super pretty. And then these are the pages here. Right? I hope I can't really see what I'm doing. I kind of have a glimpse of it, but everything is just so messed up. But anyway, this is a gorgeous kit, and I've been wanting to play with it for a while and have not been able to. Hopefully I will finally get to it. This is also from the kit here. It's one of her collages here, and I love this page because you can use it as is, like you can, you know, an actual page, or you can cut it up and make it into ephemera. So so that's a really good one to have. This is also from the same kit. Again, this is the Botanical Nature Inspirations kit, and I will have it linked below in case you're interested. And now these are freebies from her Ko-fi or coffee. I don't actually, I'm not really sure how to say it, but I think it's coffee. There's this one. I was having some trouble with my printer that day. And I see that it says her name here, Lily Fee the Paper Witch, very light. So this may be probably a little crisper if I redo it, but I'm not sure. And then this is also a freebie from her coffee page. And the reason I have these here is because I think that they're going to work nicely with this kit. Okay, and this is yet another freebie. Some tabs, which I love. I think everybody loves tabs. And then this is another freebie, and this is the last one. So these are like some little file folders. So this is it for now, and hopefully I will be back soon if I can figure out how to fix all my technical problems and physical problems. Well, at least the technical ones. The physical ones come and go. But anyway, I love you all. Have a wonderful day. or night. And yeah, take it easy, and I love you all. Take care. Bye bye.